Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is universal gates, multi-level NAND or NAND, nor realization. So, what is universal gate? Universal gate is a logic gate that can be used to construct entire logic using that single gate. Okay. So, yesterday you learned about circuits, circuit Boolean expression, circuit realization. In that, you consider and or not. You taking at least two gates or basic gates three. Using only NAND, you can't implement Boolean expression. Using only OR, you can't implement. So combination of and OR and not, we can implement Boolean expression. We require minimum three gates. But universal gate, using single gate, we can design entire Boolean expression. What are those gates? Those are NOR and NAND gates. Okay. So what is NOR gate? What is NAND gate? Let us see it. First, NAND gate. NAND gate stands for not AND. Means AND gate complement of the AND gate. Okay. It is a complement of AND gate. Means complement of AND operation. So this is the symbol. See, AND gate with NOT means complementing AND gate output. AND gate output is complementing. So we can simply represent AND with a small bubble. Okay, this is AND gate. AND gate with a small bubble. Then we called it as NAND. So this is the basic symbol. This is two input NAND gate. Okay, let us see the truth table. So see the truth table. It is the complement of AND gate, right? So let us see the truth table of AND gate. What is AND gate truth table? When both are 1, then only output is 1. At remaining conditions, output is 0, right? So complement of these values are what? 0 complement is 1. Again 0 complement is 1. 0 complement is 1. 1 complement is 0. Okay. So we can write it as y is equal to AB whole bar. Like this also we can write, or AB whole bar. Like this also we can write, no problem. But using truth table, let us find the Boolean expression of this NAND gate. How it comes. See, let us see. Y is equal to what? Let us see, consider zeros. Zeros is available at index 3. Okay. If 0 is considered, we can represent with pi. So pi of 3. Right? So pi of 3 can be written as A bar plus B bar. Okay. So here this is OR operation. So the circuit can be written as how? See, this is OR. Okay. We writing NOT gate because A bar. So this is A, this is B. So that can be written as what we said. The NOT gate is simply replaced with the bubble, right? So the NOT gates are available at which side? Input side. So we simply replaced it with bubbles. A, B. So this is the original NAND gate circuit. This one and this one is equivalent circuit. Okay, this is the main circuit. These two are equivalent circuits. Okay, you can use this one also. Using sigma function also, you get A bar plus B bar. You can check it. Okay, 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2 is this one. You can check it. Next, NAND gate IC. So NAND gate IC number is 7400. Okay, remember 7400. Remaining things are same. Okay, U shape left side first pin. So 1, 2 are input, third one is output, 4, 5 are input, sixth one is output, seventh is ground, 9, 10 input, 8th output, 12, 13 input, 11th is output, 14th is power supply. Okay, next, NOR gate. So what is NOR gate? NOR stand for not with OR, means complement of OR gate. Okay, it is a complement of OR gate. So this is the symbol, OR with NOT. So simply we write it as NOR with bubble, OR with bubble. This one is NOT. This is the main circuit, this is equivalent circuit. Let us see the truth table. Complement of OR. Let us, I am writing in this side. What is OR gate truth table? 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. The complement of this one is 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. We can write as A plus B whole bar. This is whole bar. Okay. Or you can represent like this also, A plus B whole bar. From truth table, let us find the Boolean expression. See, sigma 0. Sigma 0 is equal to what? A bar dot B bar. So this is the De Morgan law, right? So the equivalent circuit is on at input side we have to put bubbles. And what we get? A, B. This is the equivalent circuit of NOR. This one and this one are equivalent circuits of NOR gate. Okay. Next, IC. Till now you learn ICs here, but NOR gate IC is different. NOR gate IC number is 7402. 7402. In NOR gate IC, first pin is output, 2 and 3 are input, fourth pin is output, 5 and 6 are input, eighth pin is output, 10th pin is output, 9, 8 and 9 are inputs, 13th pin is output, 11 and 12 are input. Remember this one. This is the different compared to all ICs. Okay. Next, multi-level realization using NAND gates. So I given one Boolean circuit. Okay, I want to design it using NAND. Okay, what are the steps available? Okay, if draw the circuit. Okay, if you find AND gates, put bubble at output. Okay, if you find OR gates, put bubble at input side. For AND gate, output side. For OR gate, input side, put bubble. Okay. Add or subtract inverter to each line where you add bubble. Okay. Now replace bubbled OR, input bubbled OR with NAND. Okay. Eliminate double inversion. I think you can't understand. Let us see the examples. Okay. Let us see some examples. Then you can understand. I'm taking whiteboard now. See. First, I want to develop NOT gate. I want to develop NOT gate. This is NOT gate, right? A bar. Using NAND. I want to get NAND. So simple circuit of NAND is just give both inputs same. Give both inputs same. Then we get a complement. Why? Let us check the truth table of NAND gate. What is NAND gate truth table? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Let us see the truth table of NAND. 1 1 1 0. Let us consider these two conditions, 0 0 and 1 1 condition. Okay. If I give input 0, output getting 1. If I giving out input 1, output is 0. So when we short both inputs, we getting a bar. So it is the complement. So using NAND, inverter circuit is this one. So this is the basic circuit. Okay. Remember this one. Next, I want AND gate and using NAND. Okay. So what is the AND symbol? Two input AND gate. So this is the AND symbol, right? So if you find AND symbol, what we have to do? Add bubble here, right? This is the first step. Okay. Next, second step is add or subtract equivalent bubble. So here I am adding one bubble. So to equivalent this one, you have to add another bubble at output side. Okay. This is A, this is B. So bubble means what? NAND gate. Sorry, bubble means inverter, right? So replace this inverter using NAND. Just only you learn this is NAND gate, inverter using NAND, right? This is the inverter using NAND. You just learn now. Okay. Replace this bubble with this circuit. Then what happened? A, B. So what happened? This is NAND gate, right? So output is AB whole bar. Now I am using inverter. Inverter means complement of this one, right? What happened? AB bar whole bar, right? AB bar whole bar is equal to what? AB, because this bar and this bar gets cancelled. So this is AB. So AND gate means what? Y is equal to AB. So using NAND, we get AB, right? So this is the basic NAND and using NAND. Okay. Next, OR gate. Let us check OR gate. OR using NAND. Okay. See, what is OR gate? This one. Okay. Now what we have to do for OR gate? If you find OR gate, add bubbles at input side. Okay. So next step is I am adding bubbles at input side. Next step is add equivalent bubbles. Here I added 2 bubbles. So equivalently you have to add 2 more bubbles. Okay. Next, what we have to do? Replace bubbled OR. Bubbled OR with NAND, right? We have 2 bubbles and replace the circuit with NAND. Next, bubble means inverter. So replace these inverters with NAND. NAND inverter. Replace this one with NAND inverter. So NAND inverters are what? This is NAND inverters, right? So this is A, this is B. Okay. So this is the NAND realization of OR gate. I want NOR gate. NOR gate means complement of OR. So we add here one more inverter. Simply we add one more inverter. Then the circuit is called NOR gate. Yes. Next, let us check the Boolean expression. Okay. Using Boolean expression, how the circuit goes on. I want to convert xy plus I want to convert AB plus CD. Okay. I want to convert this one AB plus CD. Okay. AB plus CD means what circuit? First draw the general circuit. This is one AND gate. This is another AND gate. And OR. So two AND gates with OR. Right? AB CD. So this is the circuit. What we have to do? We are designing this circuit using NAND. Remember, for NAND, put bubble set in output of AND gates and inputs of OR gates. So now third step is not required because equivalently we get 2 bubbles, right? So both are cancelled. So there is no need of adding another bubble. Okay. This is a NAND gate, right? This is NAND gate. This is also NAND. So replace with the NAND, equivalent NAND. AB CD. This one AB plus CD. You can check using here also. What is this one? NAND. So AB plus, sorry, AB whole bar. This one CD whole bar. Now what we getting here? Bubble. So AB bar into CD bar whole complement, right? Whole bar. Now boolean. Consider this one as X, this one as Y. Okay, XY whole bar. Using De Morgan's theorem, what we can write? X bar plus Y bar, right? So write this one. What happened? AB whole bar, whole bar. Okay, plus CD whole bar, whole bar. Then what is this equation? AB plus CD, right? Okay, this is the way to realize the circuit using NAND. Okay, next see using NOR. Next we can see using NOR. What are the steps are available? So using NOR, what we have to do? First draw the circuit. If you use NOR, put bubble at output of OR gates and inputs of AND gate. Okay, remaining steps are similar as AND gate, NAND gate steps. So let us see the examples. Take the whiteboard. So inverter is common. Inverter is just make shorting. Make a short. So A given, this is A bar. Next I want OR gate using NOR. See, what is this? This is OR gate, right? For OR gate, if you find OR gate, we have to add bubble. So to reduce this bubble, you have to add equivalent bubble also, right? Two bubbles. So this is NOR. Now replace this with inverter using NOR, means this circuit is comes here. So then what is happens? Okay, this is the way to realize circuits. Okay, A, B. Next I want AND gate. What we have to do? This is AND gate. I want using NOR. So if you found AND gate, put bubbles at input side. So equivalently we have to add another two bubbles. So this is NOR and bubbles are replaced with inverter NOR. So what is the circuit becomes now? NOR, NOR. NOR A B. Okay, this is the AND gate using NOR. Okay, similarly you can draw any circuit like this. Okay, thank you for today's class.